Hey, welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds, but first, make sure you're going on YouTube and subscribing our channel. Also, press that like button. Now let's look at some deals. Holidays are coming up. You know what to do. You need to find something for your significant other? Got something for you. Check out this. We're going to go a little bit deeper so you can see what I was able to find my husband for Valentine's Day. All right, y'all, let's go ahead inside and check out what's in this toolbox. All right, everyone. Like I told you earlier, this could be a gift for your significant other, male or female. It does not matter because tools do not have a gender role. With that being said, let's go ahead inside. As you can see, it has these cool work gloves to come right with it in the set. It also has this power drill, and it also comes with a charger to charge it right up. Here we also have different parts that you need to change tires. We have screws, different pieces there to make your work easier. I love it because it's convenient and put in this small box so everything's with you. Your friend or whoever can take this box right to work, put it in their car, put it back in their car. Easy said, easy done. And then after, close it back up and seal it. This is an awesome gift. I would love for you to look on Run Deals just for this. So, you still haven't told your friends about Run Deals? You want to keep it a secret? No need. There's thousands of deals on Run Deals daily. Make sure you get on there to check what we have. Why wouldn't you do it?